Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be editing a testimonial live and showing you guys all the tips and tricks when it comes to making the best testimonial. So here's a testimonial from one of my students that I've been teaching e-commerce. So if you guys want to master e-commerce, definitely check out the mentorship application link down in the description below, where I take students on one-on-one and I work with them, helping them reach their goals. So the first thing I do is I remove any stuttering, as well as I remove the questioning. So I have a list of questions. The student reads the question and then replies to the question. So I remove and edit out the reading part. So you'll watch me do that now. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the stutterings. You're gonna watch me do that live. I also want to remove gaps and spacing and pauses. Let's give this a try. I'm just going to delete all the spaces and see how it works, because sometimes you don't want a testimonial to be too fast paced because it's less connecting if it's like fast paced and people aren't really able to follow it. But at the same time, you don't want it too slow paced where people don't really care about the testimonial. They just want to hear the story and not just sort of like take 5 minutes to hear the story. So let's test this new cutted version out.
I'm one of Andy Mai's students, just finished his course. My e-commerce journey before I start with Andy it's pretty rough. I'm one of the type of guys that started everything on my own.
That's fine. I think those pauses that I cut out are perfect. Didn't really affect it, even made it better. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut out all the pauses first. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for the whole clip. Yeah, I'm going to fast forward it so you guys won't have to watch me doing it for the whole thing. Alright, so I trimmed it down. Now it's going to be much faster when it comes to editing.
Or a general store, what product? Niche store or a general
removing any repetition.
To be a niche versus history, I guess. So what exactly did I like most? What exactly history, I guess. So what exactly did I like most about Andy's consulting? So what I like most
remove the reading of the questions.
Versus history, I guess. And it's not one of those one-liners question, but he really does answer those questions in depth and in detail, and really make sure that
if you want this service, sign up for my mentorship application linked in the description below.
That you understand everything. My e-commerce journey like now that I've worked? It's been going great. What is my e-commerce journey like now that I've worked with Andy? What results have you gotten from Andy's help? So I feel like I have
remove the question reading.
Going great. I feel like I have a better understanding. And plus, this is a business. You definitely have to spend money, and from someone that's in your store, profit is always.
I just removed some ands just because it was repeated too much, which isn't a bad thing. Like Amanda gave me a beautiful testimonial. Awesome. Now that I finish, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a fade in transition. Move fade to color. Let's see if this works.
What's up, guys? My name is Fernando. What's up, guys? My name is.
I'm going to do a long fade in. Awesome. Now I'm going to add some motivational music. Alright, so here's some songs. gonna have it end at 420. So that's one option. There's this song. But I think it's too short. So I guess we're gonna have to use this one. So as I said, I'm gonna bring it to look at 420. So now I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna try shorten the front, bring it to where it ends here, the very end, yep, and extend it out. And I'm also gonna bring down the volume to maybe let's see how that works.
What's up, guys? My name is Fernando, and I'm from.
Way lower. You bring in a faded in.
What's up, guys? My name is Fernando, and I'm from Indonesia, and I'm one of Andy Mai's students. Just finished his course. My e-commerce journey before I start with Andy it's pretty.
Still too loud. You bring it down longer. Lower. Not that's too low. I think 20, maybe minus 20.
It's Fernando, and
okay. Trying something different. I'm gonna fade it all the way. I'm gonna take it. Takes the whole. It's gonna slowly fade in throughout the whole testimonial. So let's give this a try. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase the audio for all these. Okay, let's try something. I'm gonna bring it longer and make it fade in. I want a longer fade in. Fading in too fast, in my opinion. So let's give this a try. I'm gonna put a keyframe here. Option K. Keep it at minus 20. Okay. New pivot. I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna form my own transitions. So I'm not gonna use this curve. I'm not gonna fade it in. I'm gonna manually fade it in. I'm gonna put a keyframe here. Option K. Option K. So first I'm gonna start it from low. Yeah, it's gonna build up. Okay, so I want a faster progression. So I'm gonna bring it back. Okay, this is too medieval. You need to get a new song, a better song. So I'm gonna go on YouTube. Motive. This is pretty good. Maybe too distracting with the voice. Too rough. Too like boxing, sporty. Too gamey. This is pretty good. Let's see. Testimonial background music. Let's give that a try. This might be perfect. 2:14, 10 seconds. Interesting. It is pretty good though. I'm gonna download this to save it. YouTube to MP3. And then I'm gonna go back and try to find another one. This one's pretty good. Damn, I really like this song. It's too short, but I'm gonna save this song. No, too stocky. Alright, I'm gonna work with the two I got. I'm gonna mute the first one, put this on, make it end.
Definitely tell you that his one-on-one program is worth it.
Okay, and I also want to do a fade out.
Program is worth it.
Cut it. I'm gonna slow this down. Bring it out. Put in a dissolve. Push it as far as we can.
Is worth it. Worth it.
Awesome. Bring this here. Deal with the silence in the beginning. Gonna link these up. I'm gonna have it fade in until the very end. Have all these reduced to like minus. Let's do minus 10. And let's give this a try.
What's up guys, my name is Fernando and I'm from Indonesia and I'm one of Andy Mai's students, just finished his course. My e-commerce journey before I start with Andy it's pretty rough. I'm one of the type of guys that started everything on my own, and as an Indonesian, in Indonesia, this is not a really popular business model to someone regarding this matter and share some knowledge.
I'm happy.
And Indonesia, this is not a really popular business model, e-commerce overall. You don't find that a lot of that in Indonesia. People do business the conventional way. I was having a hard time talking to someone regarding this matter.
Okay, so we need to do minus. Now I'm gonna try increase the audio on the talking of Fernando. Okay, let's delete that transition. Let's try put the transition in between it. New compound clip, and I put a fade to color here. Drag it all the way to the very here.
Program is worth it.
Even further.
Program is worth it. Program is worth it. This one-on-one program is worth it.
Now what if we combine it with these two?
Tell you that his one-on-one program is worth it. Tell you that his one-on-one program is worth it.
Perfect. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna watch it a few more times now.
Just called it out. My original plan was to continue on with my previous store, right? And he just straight up told me that this store is not gonna work. You gotta get rid of it, and we're gonna build a new store, start fresh.
It's perfect.
And that's what we ended
Music
up doing.
syncs
And I
up.
trust his judgment, and we
Beautiful. That's it.
From someone who has experience working with Andy, definitely tell you that his one-on-one program is worth it.
Awesome. You give it a fade out to let it sink in. But yeah. And now what I like to do is I like to watch other people's testimonials to see if there's any way I can improve on mine. So I like to go to .com secrets.
Hiring.
So as you see, there's a fade in with music.
So I want to tell you something.
There's a close up with her face.
What did I tell you?
And it zooms in and out.
Honestly,
Fade, make it less. Awesome.
What's up, guys? My name is Fernando, and I'm
Beautiful.
from Indonesia.
Another fade out seems perfect, I think.
His experience working with Andy, definitely tell you that his one-on-one program is worth it.
How should I do zoom in, zoom out? I think that'll be a bit
First
too
journey
difficult.
before I start with Andy it's pretty rough.
Let's see how they do it.
bar none, one of the best journey that you ever made in
They're
life.
different
Go on,
camera angles.
working with him.
So when I film future testimonials, I guess I'm gonna have 2 different camera angles then.
I'm one of the.
But this is amazing. If you guys like these type of walkthrough videos, definitely drop a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop a comment below. I've been trying to answer all my comments, especially all my DMs, so you could slide into my DMs if you have particular questions. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.